Top 10 things to do in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Puerto Vallarta is one of the most popular destinations on Mexico's Pacific coast. Located on the lovely Banjias Bay, the city has both modern and historical elements and romantic charm. It's a gay friendly destination but is also popular with families. Visitors are spoiled for choice when it comes to activities in Puerto Vallarta. Whether you are a foodie, an adventure seeker, enthusiast, or a beach bum, this city has something tailored just for you. Mountain biking trip. Although lounging by the beach and devouring tacos is always a good idea when traveling to Mexico, it might be a good idea to get some exercise every once in a while. This is one of the Puerto Vallarta activities you don't want to miss. EcoRide is an eco-conscious company in Puerto Vallarta that offers mountain biking and hiking trips in the surrounding jungle trails of the Occidental Sierra Madre. If you are into adventure and being active, this is one of the things to do in Puerto Vallarta that you won't want to miss. They have biking tours for beginners and advanced riders, plus, they offer different length trips as well, from 15 to 48 kilometers, 9.3 to 30 miles. Walk the Malecon. One of the many great things about Puerto Vallarta is the Long Malecon, oceanfront promenade, which runs for about 1.5 kilometers, 1 mile. This is the perfect spot to enjoy a stroll without having to deal with the busy traffic that whizzes along the narrow streets. Along the Malecon, you have the beautiful ocean on one side and many shops, restaurants, and bars on the other. There are also numerous art installations and street performances here. The Malecon is the hot spot, especially in the late afternoon and evenings when it's a cooler temperature. To experience the nightlife with local flair, join a bar hopping tour with Gay Larta Bar Hopping. Have an adventure. Whether your idea of adventure is zip lining upside down through the rainforest or more tame activities like hiking and bird watching, the unspoiled tropical rainforest of the Sierra Madre Mountains just outside Puerto Vallarta provides the ideal setting. A host of eco adventures are on offer: zip lining, rappelling, hiking, canopy tours, horseback riding, mountain biking, village tours, off road adventures, and more. If you love nature, be sure to plan a day trip to the Vallarta Botanical Garden, where besides seeing a wide variety of plants, you can also take a hike or swim in a river and have lunch overlooking a scenic view of the surrounding mountains. With San Pancho. About an hour's drive from Puerto Vallarta is the beach town of San Pancho, which is one of the best day trips from Puerto Vallarta. This small town isn't as quiet as it once was, but it's still a nice place to visit. You can go golfing for the morning or late afternoon, eat some really good international food, take Spanish lessons, do yoga, go surfing, watch the baby turtles be released, and more. It's a cool place to spend an afternoon, as it's just an hour away from Puerto Vallarta. To get from Puerto Vallarta to San Pancho, you can rent a car, take the bus for around 50 pesos, or join a day tour of San Pancho and nearby Sayulita. Take a walk on Isla Coale. The island in the Rio Coale feels like the world apart from the rest of Puerto Vallarta. It's a shady green oasis with handicraft shops, a community center, and a small archaeology museum. Music Cat lovers will notice a surprising number of cats roaming around the island, many of them friendly. Director John Huston is honored with the statue on the island, bringing the world's attention to the then unheard of town on Mexico's Pacific coast. Eat fresh oysters. While Mexico is one of the best countries in the world for food, and there's definitely a Puerto Vallarta restaurant for everyone, sometimes it's nice to eat street, beach food. If you're an oyster lover, you will be happy to know that you can get fresh oysters on the beach, just under the bridge that crosses the River Coale. You will see many vendors selling these tasty morsels just under the bridge that crosses the River Coale. If you visit in mid November, be sure to take part in the annual Gourmet Festival, during which the city's best restaurants pull out all the stops to produce fabulously inventive set menus. Relax on Playa Eas Camalas. Surprisingly, just about 20 minutes drive south of Puerto Vallarta, you will find beaches that look like they should be Cancun or Playa del Carmen rather than the Pacific. I think this is one of the best beaches in Mexico. Playa Las Camalas has turquoise water and whitish sand. When we visited, there were quite a few waves, but no riptides or undertow, and the waves were fun to swim in. Other visitors have experienced completely calm water here, so it really just depends on the weather and the time of the year. The walk to the beach is fairly steep and down some uneven steps, but it's worth it when you see the view. Beach here. You will want to park at Condominios Querasbul Sur in front along the road. There is no actual parking for the beach, so you will need to find some on the street or in few roadside spots in front of Girasol Sur condos. Alternatively, you can take a local bus and get dropped off here. Get out on the water. On the water, there are numerous opportunities for snorkeling, diving, dolphin, sea lion, and whale watching, or sailing and touring to remote beaches and islands, like the picturesque Islas Maritas. Take a snorkeling excursion to Los Acros, to small islands with arches that shelter a variety of sea life. From November to March, Banderas Bay is home to humpback whales migrating from their polar feeding grounds to breed and play in these safe warm waters. Go in search of these magnificent creatures with their distinctive fluked tails on a day trip with one of Puerto Vallarta Tour companies. Vallarta Adventures employs a light plane to spot the creatures from the air and radio to the ship's captain, so visitors have a high chance of spotting whales in season. Visit Islas Maritas National Park. Located on the Pacific coast of Mexico, Bahia de Banderas is known as the largest bay in the country. There are plenty of things for visitors to do here, but the most popular activity is simply sailing around the bay on one of the many charter boats. One of these boats, known as the Marigalante, is the replica of Christopher Columbus' ship, the Santa Maria, and it features an on-board museum that displays various artifacts from the time of conquistadors. Excellent snorkeling can be found here as well, particularly in the tunnels and coral reefs around the Granite Arches Islands. Two different tour options are available. One is a full day excursion, while the other includes a sunset cruise, dinner on the beach, and the theatrical performance. Some of the best sunsets we have ever seen have been from here. Walk everywhere. We have to put walking as number one on the list of things to do in Puerto Vallarta. Exploring on foot is the best way to get a feel for the city, and most areas of Puerto Vallarta are reachable by walking. Walking on your own is great, but if you want to learn a bit more about the city of Puerto Vallarta, including its culture, history, and architecture, then it's best to join a walking tour with a knowledgeable guide. Mexico is already one of the cheapest countries to travel, but when you can do things for free like walking and sightseeing, you can save even more money. This is available only in winter from October through May, the high season. This is a great way to see what the vendors are selling, to people watch, and to get a lay of the land. You never know what you will stumble across when discovering the city on foot. Just make sure to wear good shoes as the sidewalks and roads are very uneven. And we have come to the end of this video on the amazing things that you can do in Puerto Vallarta. I hope this list of things to do in Puerto Vallarta helps you plan your trip. While the city is quite touristy, it's popular for good reason, and we really enjoy our visit here. Did I miss anything? Please let me know in the comments below. Happy travels!